So I'm in my room and Ian has called me. I was just filming. He's called me into my sewing room and saying,
What?
Saying you're trying to get all of that in that bag, in your tote bag.
Well, I just told you I needed to. We're going on a Vista window film job in a ladies, what is it? A yoga, aerobics class gym. Quite an amazing place where we were working a week ago, and then they want something on top, and I'm going to get real hot in there, so I thought I'd just go dressed for the job with
okay, so what do you want?
tracksuit anyway.
Okay.
And I thought we'll go for a my brain's not working, I'm sorry.
It's not.
We'll go for we'll go to Justin's afterwards and ride Maxwell's quad, because he
okay.
needs to get back on the.
So you wanted a tote
horse,
bag.
remember?
Yes, he needs to get back on the horse. He's a little bit frightened. Anyway, so you wanted your your tote.
Well, I wanted a suitcase or
Well,
something.
guess what happened to the suitcases?
They all got
ruined.
In the flood,
We have
the
not one.
hurricane, a tornado.
We have not one suitcase.
And then I have a tote for travelling the world
Okay.
with.
Okay. And so what do you have to put in there? You're
my
putting
jeans,
right?
And those 2 shirts.
What 2 shirts?
It's probably going to need core. Jean, just give me the.
Oh, these.
Left it on there, yeah.
Ian, it's a plaid and a. What do you? It's a plaid and a striped shirt.
Yeah, but all my taste is in my mouth.
Oh, and that looks
blue, and it looked good.
What are you talking about? This is black and white, and this is blue and white.
All right, okay, I'll change that somehow.
Or just. So you're going to try to put them in your tote?
Yeah, but this is on the quad. This is on.
Oh, that's you're riding your quad.
I'm riding the quad, so I'm not going to be a fashion plate. Or
no, you certainly are not.
I'm not going to be chicly dressed or.
You certainly are not.
Just as long as it's a bit warmer.
Yeah, it is a little bit.
It was
colder.
supposed to go up. I don't know, up to nearly 70. So I thought, and yet it's only about 54 out there.
So will they? So will that off?
chilly.
So that's a heavy flannel shirt. Will that fit in your bag? Let's see if it's like Mary Poppins.
Oh, well, see. You have a story to tell, woman, don't you?
Look.
Oh yeah, the hole's big enough.
Yeah.
Just got to get it in around the
You just have to
handle.
get it around the handle.
Yeah. Yeah, we need Julie. What's her name?
Julie Andrews. Mary Poppins.
And,
That's a pretty decent bag. Look at that. You could get something else in there.
how about the shoes?
Oh, you want your shoes?
Oh, they're down there. I was just going to take them out to the car.
Well, you're going to ride your quad in them. No, and you need sneakers. That's your good beating shoes. You're going to look like a farmer, and then a GQ, and you're going to look riding the quad. Look,
I told you all my taste is in my mouth.
Yeah. So you have jeans.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Look at that.
We
really do need to get a suitcase, a couple of those wheeled totes.
But look, I can travel the world with this man.
You can.
And find my way from Alaska to California with the map. Look, it's on here.
Okay, what shoes? Oh, you have your white shoes on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, well, okay. Have a good one.
I'm a reluctant.
You're tired today, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm tired. It's been a big week.
It has been a big week.
Well, nice to see you, everybody, although I can't see you.
Yeah, they
Have
can.
a good weekend.
They can see you.
All right, have a good weekend.
Okay, bye-bye.
We love you.
Bye.